Hey guys, today we have one of the first looks at our new to us Honda Civic. It's a 1996 hatch, new B20 engine, again, to us, that we dropped in last week. It's been fired up a total of 4 times. We've got our 100 treadwear, we've got our Toyota R888R tires. It's super light. There is nothing to this car. We've stripped it of anything that's not the seat or the cage. We're excited to get this thing out here running. It's been alive for less than a week now. It's really the start of our season. You know, we've been doing a few races here and there, but this is the first one that really counts. So excited to get out there and show what we're all about. Thanks for watching.